Ang WIS Plus or Workers Investment and Savings Program is an optional retirement savings program offered by SSS. It was launched in the Philippines last December 15, 2022. Ang WIS Plus is both an investment and a savings program. So ito ang pantapat ng SSS sa MP2 Savings Program ng Pag-ibig. So pareho silang voluntary. So WIS Plus serves as an additional layer of social security protection on top of the retirement benefits that you will receive from SSS pag nag-retire ka na. Ang WIS Plus is open to all SSS members, so regardless of membership status or monthly salary credit level. Basta meron kang SSS account, pwedeng-pwede kang mag-apply ng WIS Plus account. And according to SSS, for you to be eligible, you must not have applied for any final benefit claims such as retirement or total disability benefits. WIS Plus is affordable. So for as low as 500 pesos, you can already invest sa WIS Plus. So same siya sa Pag-ibig MP2. So 500 pesos din ang minimum payment per remittance. It's flexible kasi pwede mong bayaran ang contribution mo anytime, so allowing you to effectively manage your budget. There's no maximum amount. Pwede kang maghulog any amount from 500 pesos pataas. Ang maximum amount ay depende sa maximum limit ng payment channel na gagamitin mo sa pagbayad. And tax-free din interest ng SSS WIS Plus, so same as Pag-ibig MP2. Take note, you can only open one WIS Plus account. So, one WIS Plus account lang per member. Unlike in MP2 na pwede ka mag-open ng multiple accounts at the same time. So, yun ang kaibahan ng MP2 at SSS WIS Plus. Ang WIS Plus has no expiration. So, yung membership has no expiration. So, lifetime siya. However, pag nag-full withdrawal ka after a year or more, kailangan mo ulit mag-re-enroll to the WIS Plus program kung gusto mo ulit mag-umpisang maghulog. And ang kagandahan nito sa WIS Plus, continuous ang crediting of interest earnings so after the 5-year maturity. Sa MP2 kasi, kailangan mo i-withdraw ang pera mo after 5 years pag nag-mature because it will stop earning interest under the MP2 savings program pag hindi mo siya withdraw after 5 years. How much is the interest rate na makukuha sa WIS Plus? According to SSS, they offer SSS members investment earnings based on rates higher than those provided by banks. So most likely nasa range ng 4 to 7% per annum. So malalaman natin after a year of investing sa WIS Plus. There's no fixed rate sa WIS Plus. WIS Plus is also an investment that comes with risk, low risk though. So we can compare yung interest sa existing mandatory WIS fund which had an interest rate of 6.39% in its first year. So when can I withdraw my money? After a year, you can already withdraw your money pero adjusted your earnings or investment income. So mas mababa siya compared kung tatapusin mo until 5 years. After 5 years, so makukuha mo na yung 100% earnings or income na kinita ng iyong pera sa WIS Plus. How to enroll to SSS WIS Plus? Kailangan mo muna mag-login to my.sss. So, ito yung website. So, punta ka dito sa portal.sss.gov.ph and then mag-login ka. Pero kung wala ka pang MySS account, so, kailangan mo muna mag-register. So, i-click mo lang tong register and log into MySSS and then create account. Ito. Click mo yung proceed. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-enroll sa SSS WIS Plus. So, mag-login ako sa aking my.sss. I'm a member. Member login. Input lang your member login details. And then, click sign in. Punta ka dito sa services. And then, click enroll to WIS Plus. So, lalabas dito yung information kung eligible ka to enroll in WIS Plus. So, no final claim. View terms and conditions. So, definition of terms, eligibility, enrollment, contributions. Capital preservation is the priority for the WIS Plus. And then, andito din yung terms sa withdrawal. And then, if you agree, then click I accept. So, you have successfully enrolled in the WIS Plus. Paano bayaran yung WIS Plus? Just like the SSS WIS Plus contribution, so kailangan mag-generate ng PRN. Here, so generate PRN, and ilalagay lang yung period. So, February. So, contribution, click WIS Plus only, 500. And then, submit request. So, you are requesting for generation of new PRN. Okay, so for February to. Okay. Oh, okay. So, member must have posted regular SSS contribution for the current month. Okay, so hindi pa pala ako pwedeng mag-generate ng PRN. Kailan ko pang bayaran itong regular SSS contribution ko for January bago ako makapag-contribute sa WIS Plus.